Everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel. I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video, I'll teach you how to recover deleted Instagram videos, messages and posts also. We'll teach you two methods. In the first method, Instagram has introduced a new feature recently deleted. With this method, you can recover your deleted Instagram videos, photos, posts and messages also. What you have to do, you have to open Instagram and then you have to click on your profile picture and then you have to click on these three lines which you can see at the top right side. Click on settings, click on account, scroll down. Here you will see second last option, recently deleted. You have to click on it and here you will find all of your deleted videos, posts, photos and deleted messages. You have to select the video, post, photos or messages that you want to recover. You have to click on it and then you have to click on these three dots which you can see at the top right side, and then here in the bottom you will see second option, restore. You have to click on it and then you have to click on restore, and then Instagram will send a 6-digit code to your provided email address. You have to provide that code here and then you have to click on confirm. Here you can see our deleted video is successfully restored. Now I'll teach you the second method. With second method you can also recover your deleted videos, posts and photos. What you have to do, you have to open any browser and then you have to open here instagram.com and then you have to provide your Instagram username and password on which you want to recover the Instagram messages, posts, photos, and then you have to click on login tab. After login you have to click on your profile picture and then you have to click on settings and then you have to click on privacy and security. Scroll down. Here you will see in the bottom second last option, data download. You have to click on request download. Better to keep it HTML and then you have to click on next. Now you have to provide Instagram password. Click on request download. Here you can see download requested. Now Instagram will prepare all of your post, videos, photos and messages zip file and then they will send it to your provided email address. You can unzip that file and you can see your deleted posts, videos, photos and messages. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.